Hello all, welcome to Free Tree family. Today we're going to look about Xlookup. So in case you have not seen the earlier videos on lookup, VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, kindly have a look at that first before coming to Xlookup, because Xlookup is an amalgamation of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUp. So you need to get the concepts, the basic concepts right before we go to Xlookup. Alright. So Xlookup is the version. It's available only in the latest versions of Excel. So you have to first check if you have it in your Excel before proceeding on this. All right. So let's see what we first saw in VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So in VLOOKUP, we saw the employee number that is from left to right. We saw the left is the place where we have the matching table, and then right is where the answer is. On HLOOKUP, it's top to bottom. The top is the place where we have to find the match, and then the answer is at the bottom. In Xlookup, is neither. You can either select from top to bottom or left to right. So that's the exact meaning of Xlookup. It's both VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP at the same time. Alright, so let's see two examples. So the result window we are trying to do is two, right? One is based on what subject we choose, chemistry or physics or botany, we should be able to get Joanne's score, right? We should be able to get Joanne's score. Second window we are expecting is, depending on the name we choose, we should be able to get their physics scores. Alright, so this is what we're going to achieve. So let's dive right to it. So here we type Xlookup. Lookup value is still the same subject. The lookup array, this refers to just the lookup array. So in this particular case, it is the name, so the subject. And return array is the place where we have to find the answer. So in this particular case, I want Joanne's value, so I select Joanne's dataset, comma, if not found is one of the features that's available. Let's not go there at the moment. The match type we want is exact, so it's 0, and press enter. That's it. This looks like a normal lookup, but this is not. This is more accurate than a lookup. And this Xlookup at the moment is acting as if it is a HLOOKUP because we are technically moving from top to bottom. But this could be anywhere. This physics can be bottom and this one can be top, so it can be even bottom to top. So it's a very versatile function, Xlookup, as compared to HLOOKUP or VLOOKUP. Alright, so now let's see one vertical lookup, that is vertical lookup through Xlookup. Alright, so again we have to find now Xlookup. Lookup value is the name, and in this particular case the name is here, and we want the result of the physics, so we select the physics data set, comma, result if not found, just another comma, match type is 0, and then press enter. So that's it. So we can select any of the names here, and that will give the score in physics. How cool is that? Because if we had to accomplish this in VLOOKUP, that will be a lot tricky, but we just accomplished this very easily. Even if this was, for example, if I move this before this, right? For example, physics column is here, the name is here. This particular Xlookup will still work, but there is no VLOOKUP in the world that can make this work. So that's the beauty of Xlookup. In fact, I can even do one step more. I can move this on top too. That will still work. The top horizontal top to bottom approach is now bottom to top, and it is right to left. So it goes in all directions. That is the beauty of Xlookup. This is an awesome function. This is probably going to replace all the lookups of Excel in the future. So I hope this video was useful. Please do like, share, and subscribe.